Yeah. Want me, ready or not, here I come, you can't hide. Gonna find you and take it slowly. Ready or not, here I come, you can't hide. Gonna find you and make you want me. You can't run away from these styles I got, oh baby. Hey baby, 'cause I got a...
So, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today, this is what we're going to do. We're going to create this look. So if you want to see how I got this look, continue watching. And I did it with the Zulu palette, and I used the Masquerade, the Magic palette, to do the shimmery colors at the inner portion of my eyes. So guys, if you want to see how I got this look, stick around and you can see how I got this look. Okay guys, so basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start up with this pink shade and I'm adding that as my transition shade. Then I'm just gonna blend it into my crease so that we can have a nice, you know, nice finish when we're adding our other colors. Then I'm going in with this black shadow and I'm adding that directly to my crease. Then I'm gonna go in with the purple shade from the Zulu palette and I'm gonna add it on top because I don't want it to be super harsh. Then I'm just using my brush to just blend everything so we have that nice defined, you know, crease. So right now I'm going in with my big fluffy brush and I'm just trying to blend the two shadows, or the deeper shadows, with the pink transition shade. Then I'm gonna go in with my LA Girls eyeshadow concealer, eyeshadow primer, and I'm using my Real Techniques detailer brush, and I'm using that to just create the crease. Yeah, and I'm just trying to be as precise as possible, so I'm just going in with the detailer brush. And guys, this brush is excellent for creating like a cut crease or something. This is not really a cut crease, it's more like, you know, defining that area where I'm going to go in with the shadow. Then I'm going to go in with the black again and the same purple shade from the Zulu palette, adding that to the edges of my, you know, where I added the concealer or the primer, so it's not so harsh. Then I'm going in with the pink from the Zulu palette. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the orange color, right, you know, right in the center. Just adding that so we can have, like, you know, the colors popping, because I just wanted to do this look mainly, you know, inspired by the Zulu palette. That's what we're doing, and I'm just trying to add it. I'm trying to overlap the pink so we can have that nice faded effect. Then I'm gonna go in with the yellow now at the inner portion of my eyes, and that is just going to be like a base, so when I go in with the shimmery yellow color, it will allow it to pop better, if you know what I mean. So right now, basically what I'm doing, I am trying to blend everything and to overlap the yellow. So I'm using the orange now to just get everything to be nice and blended in, because we don't want it to look super, you know, that line to be obvious. So that's what I'm trying to do, trying to overlap the pink, overlap the yellow, and blend. So as you can see, I'm going in with the pink again to just kind of blend the edges so it gives off this nice faded effect, so you don't see where the shadow actually starts and where it actually ends, you know. And yeah, pretty much that's what I'm doing. Now I'm going at the edges where I have like the darker shade just to blend it, because I'm gonna go in with the purple again to just blend out the edges. But as you can see guys, I'm just using the brush now to kind of blend everything so it gives off this nice, you know, look. So now I'm gonna go in with this yellow shade, or this yellow shimmery color from the Magic palette, and I'm just adding that to the inner portions and then taking some at my inner, you know, tear duct to just give off this nice, you know, bright sunshine effect, you know, because they're colors, so we're trying to give off this nice bright color. So now I'm gonna go in with this black shade from my 120 palette, because I didn't get the Saharan palette which has the black, so we're just, you know, trying to use what we have. So I'm using that now to kind of define that area where I have the colors, clean it up so the colors are actually popping from my eye socket, you know what I mean, giving this smoky colorful vibe. So that's what I'm using this pencil brush to just define that, define the area where we have the shadows and the colors, and I'm just going over on top of it to just really define it. Okay, so right now what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be going in with the purple shade again. I'm going to be putting it on at the top because I don't want it to be so black. I really wanted the colors to pop, but the purple was a little bit too bright and I wanted that really deep smoky effect. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm gonna go in with the fluffy brush, and I added a little bit of the pink just to give it this nice, you know, transition. And I'm using the fluffy brush now to blend out the edges and blend everything so we have a nice finish, if you know what I mean. Right now I'm just going in with the purple shade again. I'm using that at the edge because I didn't want it to be so dark, so I decided to go in with the purple just to blend out the edges and so forth. And then I went in with the pink again to kind of blend out the edges again so it's not so harsh. So just blend it. So right now I'm going at my lower lash line and I'm going in with the purple shade from the Zulu palette, adding that to my lower lash line so that we can have the same excitement happening at the top, happening at the bottom. But I didn't really want it to be super grungy, just wanted the colors to, you know, give off this nice finish. And then I'm gonna go in with this brush, and this is a blending brush. This is a goat hair, so it actually blends the shadow into nothing, you know what I mean. It gives it off this smoky effect and not so harsh. So that's why I'm going in with this brush now, because I wanted the edges to not be so super straight. I kind of wanted it to have this nice smoky effect, so that's what I'm doing. And yeah, pretty much. Just gonna put on my lashes now and finish off my face. I'll be right back. So if you like it, please subscribe to my channel. I would definitely appreciate that. Click the like button, click that subscribe button, leave your comment, continue watching. And if you want to see more videos, if you want to see me talking about the other palettes from JUVIAS Place, continue watching. And yeah guys.